Hey folks, this is Basant here. Today's video I'm going to compare two AI builders. With the help we can create the AI apps, SaaS or the web apps and even the systems we can use ourselves or the sell or even the monetize here. So one of them is the famous one, that is the Hostinger Horizons, and the second one that I am recently starting using and I am amazed with the features. So I'm going to give you a detailed demo here. So let me get starting. So first let me show you the app I have created with this new AI builder here that is going to help us to find the colleges with our scores and get us the know the information. So this is for the medical students I have created to get the information which college they can admission here. Okay, so right now all they have to enter there the scores, like in the physics, chemistry and the biology. For example, out of 180 I got around the 170. This is just for the demo I am showing out. In the chemistry I got the 165. Okay, and here on the biology I got the around 322. Okay, and you can see on the calculation I got this, and this is the maximum score, and here I have to click here on the predict my rank, and now here's the full pop-up is going to appear, and once they are going to fill up this pop-up, the report will be going to send on their email address. Plus based on the score, this tool is also going to suggest the colleges based on their home, regional, state or the location. Okay, so this is basically what this app or the tool I have created with the around here. And not only that, you can see here this is the app that is going to be the deployed on the default by the Netlify here, but I have also connected with a custom domain here. So all this stuff I am going to show you here, and I will also going to generate a new app in front of you, and this app is going to be this that is going to help us to diagnose and appointment with the portals here. Basically this is going to be system with the diagnostic center management and the patient portal. Okay, so this is the app idea I have right now, and I have just got this platform here. Okay, so I have used the AI to give me the detailed prompt, so you can also copy this prompt. I will also pin it in this comment here, or you can just write yourself. Okay, then this is the detailed prompt I got. In this prompt you can see a comprehensive web-based platform that streamlines operations for the diagnostic centers, like the you have to diagnose yourself for the x-ray, the ultrasound, the ECG kind of this stuff. Then this is the platform that I am going to build today with the help of this AI builder, and I will also going to build the same thing with the Hostinger Horizons, and I'm going to compare which one platform is going to help us to generate faster and the more accurate that we are going to like here. Okay, so you can use even the chat GPT. I am using this Merlin.ai. Basically here I got the access all the popular AI models like the Gemini, Cloudy, Grok. We have the chat GPT, all the popular models available here. If you also wanna try the Merlin, you can get started. The link will be given in the description. Its pricing is super affordable, starting from the just $19 a month here. Okay, so let me get starting here. So I have my prompt here after adding this thing, but you can also getting starting the simple prompt adding here. So let me click here on the new chat. Okay, so right now I'm going to start with the Greta. If you don't know what this platform here, okay, you can also watch my previous videos I have created on the Greta. This is the detailed review and the features demo video on the Greta, how this platform works and what are the features for the AI building for the apps or the systems. And there's also a tutorial video I have created here in which I have created detailed web app with the step-by-step with the backend in this video. So you can consider watching these two videos before getting to know Greta here. Okay, so once you watch the videos, let's get started. So I will click here on the new chat, and here I have to simply ask or I can just give the command its AI that which kind of the app I want to generate. So my app prompt is ready, or I can just simply also paste this one, but I have the detailed prompt here. So let me just copy this detailed prompt. Okay, and if I already have this some images or the PDF or the data available in the Excel sheet or the Google sheet, I can also upload here clicking this button here. You can see it supports the Excel, PDFs, images, all this stuff here. And if I compare this option with the Hostinger Horizons, this is the popular platform that is recently built for the creating the web apps or generating the apps or the system. The same thing Greta basically do, but here you can see they have only option to add the prompt, and in their detailed you cannot add the prompt, there's the limit. Okay, and you can also upload the images, but there's the no function to upload the databases like the Excel sheets or the PDFs here. Okay, so that is the thing that I didn't like in the Hostinger Horizon, and this single comparison letting me know that Greta is superior here in terms of the thing we can understand to its AI here. Okay, so let me paste the prompt here. Okay, this is the prompt I have pasted, but you can also add a simple prompt, but what I suggest, give to step-by-step prompt. I know this video is going to be the little bit longer, but trust me, you are going to be the amazed here, so just follow and stay with me. Okay, so I have added this same prompt here, and now let me click here on the build. Now it will start creating the project, and here's, let me tell you the one more thing here. While it is generating, you can see it is going to just upload the packages, the files, everything stuff, and the live coding will be starting in front of you. Okay, so while this is happening, what you can do, you can also export or the import your project from the GitHub. It has the integration available. You can even send the files or the pull the codes to your GitHub repository, or you can even get or back import, basically the import and export the apps you have created with a single click here. Okay, then we have also the connectivity with the Supabase. If you don't know what it is going to help you to build or create the databases for your app. So with a single click you can also integrate. I have also done that, but if you don't know how you can do that, you have to simply go to the Supabase or GitHub, create the account, and after that click here on either of one and just connect, and that's all, your account is created here. Okay, so now let me paste the same prompt on the Hostinger Horizon, and while it is generating, we can consider also trying out Hostinger Horizon. Okay, so I have pasted, you can see there's the limit exceeded. You can only add up to the around the 1100 characters prompt limit here. So that is the thing I didn't like in the Hostinger Horizon, but in the Greta we have the no limit of the telling its AI or understanding its AI that we need this kind of the system we want to create or the app we want to create here. So right now I have to add just simple prompt that I have just added here. You can see, let me copy this simple prompt here, get back to the Hostinger Horizon, replace with this one, and now simply click here. Fail to create a new website, order not found. I don't know why it is telling me this one, but let's see. Okay, I got the error here. So I'm going to create a new website and click here on the Hostinger Horizon. Okay, so I'm going to the step-by-step way, and now let me paste the prompt, click here on the enter, and now this time it's working. I think this was the glitch. So it is working here, and let's see if Greta has built our tool or the system we want here. No, it is still generating the things. So we have to wait a little bit here till the things, everything generating here in the Hostinger as well as in the Greta. You can see the same thing is happening in the both platform, updating package.json and all this stuff. So I'm really excited which kind of the thing we are going to expect and going to get in the both platform. And there's also the Supabase integration in the Hostinger Horizon as well. You can see this is the Supabase. You have to simply click and you have to integrate here. So both the platform just generated the apps we have asked here, and I am now going to review and see which one is really giving us the value here. So let's get started with the Hostinger Horizon. You can see the app is generated. Let me maximize the screen here, and you can see this is the landing page it has generated, and it is just the simple landing page, but we have the client portal and the diagnostic center. So let me click here on the client portal. Okay, and now it is asking us to sign in here, and I don't know what is the signing. So it is asking you can sign up with any email and password. After registering, please check. Okay, so I'm going to sign up with the email address here. So you can see this is the email address and the password I have entered. Click here on the sign in. Let's see, login field. Let me click here on the sign up, create account, and let's see the things is going to work or not. Account created. Yeah, account is created. Now let me sign in, login field. You can see although I have created the account here, but still it is asking me sign in and the login is failed. Okay, so let me see if I got the any login. Yeah, I got the sign up here. So let me click here on the confirm. You can see the Supabase is authentication. So I have just simply, after generating the platform, what I have done here, I have clicked here on the Supabase and connected the account. Make sure you have already logged in your Supabase account, and after that you have to integrate, and everything backend database will, like this email, the authentication, the sign up will be the handled by the Supabase. So this is the one click integration you can do here. Okay, so make sure you have done that. Let me confirm here, click on the confirm your mail. Okay, and now I think my login details will be the confirmed here. Let's see. Yeah, I got the this invalid site can't be the reached because this is the local here. Okay, so right now let me click here again. Yeah, the same issue I am getting here, means my database is not configured correctly here. Okay, so let's try to sign in again. Yeah, this time is signed in, but I am getting this some error. So let's see what is the error, fetch error or the Supabase error. So what I can do, I can ask its AI, like for the ask for the help, and now the AI of the Horizon will automatically going to fixing the errors here. Okay, so while this is just fixing the errors, let's review what the Greta AI builder has generated for us. So this is the diagnostic platform or the system it has generated. Let me full screen here. You can see here, this is the landing page and it's looking way better compared to the Hostinger generated. Okay, so I'm going to try out the portal here. Okay, so let's get started with the admin portal here. You can see the try admin dashboard, or we can also go with the use custom login credentials. Yeah, we have logged in, and now you can see this is the dashboard and it's looks easy to understand and the way better user interface. So let's click here on the appointments, click here on the booking appointment. I can manually create the appointment. This is the patient's data going to appear. This is the test catalog. Okay, so I can add the test here. Okay, so this is the good thing. I know the platform is still not the perfect, but we are getting the things. Okay, then this is the report section where we can add or upload the reports. So in the reports, I got the patient ID, patient name, the select the test type. So in the test type, we can see we have all the popular tests here, the reporting doctor and the report here. So that thing is also good here. Then this is the settings here. Okay, so this is the diagnostic center for the doctors to uploading the reports here. Now let me log out here, and again I can log in here. You can see this is the demo account. So you can see this is for the admin and this is basically for the doctors or the staff. This is for the patient. So this time I'm going to log in as the patient here. So simply clicking and let me sign in, and this is for the as the patient I have logged in. So this is the portal here. You can see the appointment books, the blood test, the x-ray reports, all this stuff, and this is the appointments and this is the reports. So I can say the platform the Greta is built is way more better compared to the what the Horizon has built, because I got the difficulty even in the login for the diagnostic or the patient portal, but here I got the demo accounts as well. And again I have connected Supabase with a single click, like I have showed you in the Hostinger Horizon. The things are same, but the system built with the Greta is way more superior, advanced and good compared to the Hostinger Horizon. Okay, so right now I think everything is fixed. Let me click here again on the patient portal, click here, sign in. Let's see this time I will able to sign in or not. Yeah, this time I have signed in. So you can see with even any error you are facing, you have to just ask the AI and everything will be done here. You can see, so it's the dashboard for the patient is super simple. You can see total reports, appointments. I am not able to see everything. You can see I have even don't any profile section available, so still it's need way more adjustment and improvement in the Hostinger Horizon here. Okay, so let me this time log out and go to the diagnostic center and again sign in with the account we have created. Welcome back, but I haven't signed in yet right now. Let's see, sign in again. You can see I am getting the same thing, successfully logged in into the diagnostic center, but the section it is showing for the logging page here, so it's also need the improvement here. But you can see in the Greta with I think the single prompt I got the way more better results here. So in this comparison, what I have found that even the Hostinger Horizon is the bigger company, have the bigger database, the bigger team, but still their platform lacks so many things and needs improvement. And their AI builder is not that much of the good as the Greta I have found here. It has the good integration with the GitHub, means I can just upload my projects and anytime I can import. So that is going to save my project files in the GitHub. That is the one thing. Then in the integration, I have found that the both of the platform have the super base and the one click integration, that is the good. But in terms of the database and the backend creation, I have found that Greta is giving the way more good information in the super base, and the integration is way more good in terms of the fetching the data from the that super base project. Okay, then the next thing what I found here, the deployment here. You can see in the Hostinger, the app we have created is not deployed here. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to click here on the publish, and now it will be the self hosted on the Hostinger. Make sure you have the Hostinger hosting available before you publishing, otherwise you cannot able to use the Hostinger Horizon. That is the first thing. But in the Greta, even if you don't have the any hosting available, what you can do is simply click here on the deploy, and now it will be the app will be the deployed or the hosted on the Netlify. Here you can see this is the Netlify. Okay, so I got the link here. Let me open this link and see the app we have created. Is the loading actually the pretty good or not here? Yeah, you can see it's loading super fast here. So I know still these things are not that much of the improved or the current, but we got the path here, and asking its AI, we have the lot of the limits here to asking the AI or the improvement here. I can make it more perfect, like the this medical score predictor I have done for the someone here. Okay, so that is how the things work out, and I can say the Greta is much better compared to the Hostinger Horizon here. So that is the thing. Plus in the Greta, what I found, you can also download your files here in the single click, and you can then upload to your hosting, like the Hostinger or the any other platform. Okay, but in the Hostinger you cannot download your project files here. Okay, so you can see I got this one. This is the site hosting on the Hostinger site. Okay, so the deployment like the something similar here, and in the Greta, once my deployment is done, what I can do, I can made any changes, and again we have to click here on the redeploy, and the updated project will be the published here. Now I want to add the custom domain here. So what I have to do, I have to click here on the custom domain, then I have to claim the site on the Netlify. That is the process, a little bit tricky, but if you want to let me cover, just let me know in the comments. I will just also create a detailed video how you can claim your custom domain on the Netlify using the Greta platform. But in the Hostinger, that is the simple one click. You have to click here on the get domain, because Hostinger offer the domains, the hosting, all this stuff. So these things will be the one click away here. So that's all for today's video. I want to talk about, if you want to check it out, the Greta, the link will be given in the description. And I also suggest watch these videos, that is the detailed review and the features demo on the Greta, and the tutorial how I have created a web app within the few minutes with the backend using the Greta. So these two videos you can also check it out. And if you want to try the Hostinger Horizon, the link will also give in the description. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to try out the Greta here, its lifetime deal is also available on the AppSumo, starting from this $59. And if I go to the plans and features, means you don't have to pay the any monthly or the yearly subscription charges like the Horizon. So in the tier 1 plan, you will get the 250 credits per month, means the 250 queries you can run. Okay, and there's also the these features you are going to get, but there's the limit, like you cannot connect the custom domain or the Stripe integration. For this you have to go for starting from the tier 2 plan. Okay, so you should check out this lifetime deal, because this is the really good tool, or you don't have to pay the yearly or monthly subscription charges. There's also the good reviews, so you can also read out these reviews. That's all. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.